was Dear Drap Fondini with the name of the artist?
Depa G.
Depa G Fondini. And now it's just to show you that as I paid no ons gaan Afrikaans praat and rap. I'm lying, I'm not gonna pick Afrikaans, but I'm gonna make it English and you know. But now it's the time whereby we have a rapper from the African side. Let me take this wonderful opportunity and welcome Deo Fondini. Brother, welcome to Global Kasi Flow.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Okay, sorry my brother, I didn't switch on your mic. Can you see something? Welcome, okay, once again.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Away, brother. So, my brother, you are here now on the Global Kasi Flow Hip Hop Show. Can you please, for the people that don't know Deo, who is Deo and what is he doing and where is he from?
Okay, so Tayo, it's actually Tayo Engel, right? You see, so Tayo Engel is from Salt Lake, the northern areas, Port Elizabeth.
Yeah.
And Tayo is a rapper, as you introduced, is a rapper slash R&B. I tend to lean more towards a R&B type of a vibe, you know.
Okay.
So, yeah, and in terms of what it is, I'm definitely, even though upcoming, I'm definitely an artist. That's one thing that I do know in what that artistry. I think like with the artistry, you see, like the road forward is definitely a one that will be very prosperous, and I truly believe that. So it's what the belief, I would say Tayo Engel is a very confident persona, you know.
Yeah, I can
Definitely.
I can stimulate it right now. So my brother, we are told
Yeah.
you're singing, you're doing this music thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, great stuff. So, how long would you say, and when did you start doing this thing of yours?
Okay, like basically putting my own lyrics together on paper. That would be from the age of 14. But I've been singing since I was young, because you know, as every great artist story begins at church, you know what I'm saying? So it's always been something that I knew I was good at. But around about the age 14, that's when I actually put all my thoughts, you see, onto paper. You see, and it actually turned out to be well. I was actually involved with a group. We were, me and we were three in a group, you see, and then after when we started making music, the people loved it. You understand? And that obviously built the confidence, you see. People loved it and so on. And from that, it was something that just grew along. As I grew older, it just grew with me.
So now, as you're speaking, so are you also a singer? Can you get a lot more of singing? Because you speak about church and you speak about groups and so are you also a singer? The clay type.
Yeah, I'm also a singer. I would consider myself as I want to do everything, you understand? And with that, me wanting to do everything, you see, I achieved it, you understand? In the sense of, when it comes to the rapping and the singing part, I'm good at singing, you understand? I'm not bad at rapping, you understand? But it's also something that I can do. So, more I would like compare it to being like waterman, as every artist should be, you understand?
Yeah, to land in every place.
Yeah, different dimensions, you know? Yeah.
So, as Deo, when did you recognize you saw Baba? Yes, I'm doing this thing, but this thing now is not just anything, it's something that I could put food on a table with.
So that would be I would say in my matric year, yeah, in that year, like I had a lot of revelations, especially when it comes to my personal life.
Okay.
And with those revelations, it kind of like it gave me it was a shift. There was a kind of a shift that took place, like in my life and in the way, like in my thought patterns and all that. You understand? And what that shift, I was like digging and surfing. Like I won't go into the topic, but it was in my matric year when I definitely saw that this is something that I definitely want to move forward with. And if one day, if I would be lying on my deathbed one day not doing this, it would be a very painful death.
Yeah, you would regret it.
Very much. very much regretted, yeah.
So there's this saying that they say there's a lot of riches in the grave.
Definitely, I heard
Means
that
that
one before.
people who have regretted the things that they didn't do.
Definitely, I've heard that one before. Yeah, man, that's really one of the reasons why, like, the inspiration will always be there. Understand? That's why I always appreciate the support from my peers, everyone that's involved in the game, because for me as an artist, you understand, and what my fellow other artists, for us it's a different world. If we have to just look into it, it's a different world. No matter the language, culture, whatever, it's just a different world. You understand? As an artist, and you can't really explain that to someone who's not an artist. You understand? So support from other fellow artists it's something very vital. You understand, on this journey forward.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Great stuff, my brother. So in terms of your home, your community, is there any support, or would you say you are supported in terms of you being an artist?
I would definitely say I do have support. I would definitely say that from family, friends, and more, like, to be honest with you, it's like for us, for people in general, as an artist, as I said earlier on, like, it's a different world for us. So it will come with people doubting in you. It will definitely come with people not seeing the vision that you actually have, because
and also mocking you, bro.
exactly. It comes with all that. Unfortunately, it does come with their challenges. And with me understanding it comes with those challenges, I would encourage other artists not to really like to lean into those stuff, because it's part of the journey. And it will always be there. So it's just a way of like managing around those and just looking and for the people, and not basically looking, but just I would say recognizing the people that actually do support you in what you want in this journey of music. And as we do understand, like, parents, like, there's a lot of negatives, family negatives, or people telling you go study and all that stuff, do this, do that. All the people with all their things that they want you to do, but inside you know it's music. Understand? So that's the feeling, yeah.
Wow. So, Brother Theo, how would you describe your sound, your music? I know you talked about R&B and what. It's broad, mostly R&B, even
It's
R&B.
very broad, yeah.
So, what is your sound, bro? What would we expect when we play your music? What we should expect?
So, if I have to, when my mission is, you understand, when a listener hears my music, the first thing they should hear is, they should not only jam to the rhythm of the beat, but actually resonate with the lyrics.
Understand.
And that's why my music, I'm very descriptive. When I explain certain things, you understand. Like you said now, being too broad, I don't like being too broad. I tend to narrow my music to this one feeling.
To
specify, understand? To this one sense of feeling, so that the listener, it's all about the listener for me. It's all about the listener. When I write my lyrics, obviously it comes from myself, you understand? But I want my listener to basically feel how I felt in that moment. You understand? So that's what I want to get across to the listener, and also to the people that actually do like appreciate music, you understand? That's what I have the feeling. So every time when a person listen to something that I have created, they should see, they should know that this artist is a person that really puts himself into it. Because that's what I really do.
So in terms of your music, do you do it in Afrikaans and English, or you strictly Afrikaans? How do you?
No, I tend to mix it. I tend to.
Okay.
Yeah, I tend to mix it naturally. The English and the Afrikaans, you understand? It's more Afrikaans, but English is definitely included. You understand? Definitely is there.
So on this next song that we're gonna play, what can you tell us about it, and what should we expect from it? What is the type of sound and
Okay, so this energy is I would say it's a nice it's a reggae Afro type of vibe to it.
MC Leone is the influence there.
Definitely, like I mentioned earlier, the support from the peers is definitely very much important, you understand?
MC Pilon is the influence. I can see the Rasta. Away.
Yeah, so it's a Afro vibe over there. That deep in my ear, and it actually came from a very simple like experience, a very simple moment. It is called deep in my ear. Translated, it's deep into my eyes. You understand? Deep in my ear.
Deep in my ear.
Yeah.
Ear is eyes.
Ear is eyes. Yeah.
Keep on learning bit by bit. This one.
Yeah. So deep in my eyes, deep in my ear. It's just like I said, I tend to lean to the R&B side of things, right?
Okay.
So this one is a really fun track that me and Empress Lava put together, and yeah, I mean, what you can expect from this one is energy,
Yeah.
and excitement. Definitely.
Let us play it.
Let us play it. I think you should play pause there by you.
Yeah. Where is it?
The second one over there.
This one.
That one, yes.
Yeah, that was Deo. Deep in my ear featuring Empress Lava. Okay, this is you almost my sister.
Yeah.
You are here before you've been here. Yeah, that is great. And I can feel your groove. You can go. So this is you can go.
Yeah.
This is your type of music.
That's my type of music, definitely. Yeah. That's my type of music.
Away. Right up but now, as I think me, bro. Ons gaan rap.
Ons gaan rap, yeah.
Ons gaan rap. You have your bars ready, Muslim?
I definitely do have my bars ready, yeah.
Okay, so without wasting any time in that way,
Okay.
we gonna go straight. Oh, now the master say on the studio, it's gonna be flames in the studio. Hey, Rasta, we will send a phone. Hey, it's gonna be hot. I want you to, if you're ready, you're gonna play your beat.
I'm ready.
Are we ready? Let me fix your channel in that way.
Okay.
Let me fix your channel. Can you play?
Like that. Are we on?
Yeah, you can play it, man.
Yeah, bueno.
My broer, ek is baie dankbaar vir jou.
It's appreciation.
Let's continue with the interview. We're not done.
No, we're not done.
Yes, I didn't hear in terms of Afrikaans, but the flow and the bars, I'm with. You are moving. Thank you very much, Mr. Dave.
Thank you so much.
What would you say you were saying there just in a few seconds?
There was basically a short portrait of my life currently.
Okay.
Yeah, I was glimpsing at family, little here and there, about a family struggle and future endeavors. You know, I was basically glimpsing it, like I said, current situation. Yeah.
Great. So in terms of the future, I can go, let's say in 10 years, 20 years, like where you see yourself at the pinnacle, like at the top. Where do you see yourself?
Well, 10 years from now, definitely I see myself very successful in terms of in the music, definitely in the music. Very successful, and I strongly believe that my music is something that with time it will develop into something that will be recognized internationally, globally.
Yeah.
With time, definitely. That's where I do see myself in. I do believe that the culture, keeping the culture alive, keeping the culture alive is something that we have to do as a unit, definitely as a unit. But our individual roles is very much important. So that 10 years from now, definitely that the music will be recognized globally, because we do need each other, definitely, understand?
Amen.
From Kasi to global is definitely something that is very much possible, and there's a lot of people that sold us from our streets, and we all can relate to that. It is possible, definitely, indeed. No matter the culture, the background, tradition, all race, definitely is possible. So 10 years from now, definitely. I've been using the word definitely so many times because I strongly believe it.
I can see you a believer of it. The way you speak it is very strong also. What would you say are one of the challenges and the things that you face, maybe in the northern areas, maybe here in PE, that are kind of a stumbling block in terms of us going forward with our artistry and work and what?
Well, definitely something I observe. One of my observations of mine when it comes to our music and the community which we are so associated, which we love in, is definitely like people do not appreciate the music as I would personally not want them to appreciate it, but as they should appreciate it, because at the end of the day, it's art. And if I have to use myself as a reference, if I have to express my art, when I express my art and I express it to people, and they show love and appreciation for my art, it definitely sparks something inside of me that basically just confirms that this is something that I definitely should do. You understand? Give me that confirmation. Not that I'm chasing validation or anything like that, but sometimes we need validity.
Yeah, it means it's landing, bro. It means you are not doing bull.
Yes, definitely. And there's a lot of challenges in our community that can be solved just with people recognizing art. Not only music is one art form. There's so many different art forms, and where I feel our art form as music is being neglected is that the lack of vision from I would say the generation that was here before us. Their lack of vision, you understand? So with that lack of vision, you understand, and what is currently happening is a huge shift. You understand? In the new generation, especially when it comes to music, I feel like some of the people in the generation before us, they don't actually see what we see, and we actually need them. We 100% we need them, because their support is very vital. Because what's better than an older brother telling you that your music is good.
Yeah, bro.
Or
And the
like,
experience they
you
have.
understand?
you know?
Yeah, an experience they have definitely walking past the corner and a couple of like maybe your friends, but older guys in general, they tell you like they appreciate your music and just walking down the street and hearing your music in your own community from people older than you, younger than you, no matter what the age group is, that is definitely something that they would definitely like. I can't even just like get to the word to explain it, but the feeling is it's cherished. The feeling is very great.
Yeah.
See, there's definitely something that is a challenge for most artists is the lack of appreciation from the community in general. That's I definitely lack of appreciation
Yeah.
for the art.
So what is that one thing that you wish for it to happen so that it may become easy here in the Nelson Mandela Bay for us to at least blow up?
One thing that is necessary to be implemented in the I feel in the Nelson Mandela Bay is more exposure, in the sense that we need platforms, especially like this platform of yours, your radio station. We need more platforms like these, where our artists can actually express themselves to the fullest. Because I feel like people don't appreciate the artist's music because they don't know the artist as people, and they never met the personality behind the lyrics, the bars, and all that. Because I would say that the lyrics and the bars and all that, it's just you metaphorically telling the world this is who you are. And not everyone is good in poetry. So these platforms, like the platform your platform, is where people can really like understand where the artists are coming from. You understand, and understanding where you're coming from is it's a window open for someone to see where you're going to. You understand? So what we need is more exposure for our artists in Port Elizabeth, because we do have some incredible people, very much amazing. I've met a lot of people that I feel like this is like international, and just seeing that the support is so low, like damn, you seeing like you have to compare to soccer, you seeing Lionel Messi or Ronaldo like in front of you, just in a different art form, but no one is passing the ball to him, you understand? Or no one is screaming, he's a hard name. That is something that really hurts, you understand? So definitely, if PE needs, we need our artists to combine and really like, there should be no room for hate, man. You understand? There should be no room for jealousy. Definitely. Because the outside world already gives us all that. We don't need that from each other. So yeah, man, we need to come together as artists in the...
Hopefully, William said, I think that one will happen. Brother Theo, thank you very much once again for blessing us with your presence. It's been a pleasure, Ndagwetu. Right about now, I want you to say some last words, and also don't forget your handles and just the closing words for the ones that are listening, and then away.
Okay, so I actually have something to say. It's not written down. It would have been better if it was scripted though, but yeah. So this is from the top there. So what I would say to the people listening is, no matter how small it might look or feel now, whatever you are doing, wherever you are doing it from, you understand, that is the basis, that is the foundation, and the foundation is very much important. And continue working on that craft, and no matter what, I don't believe there's anything in this world that can actually dim anyone's light except that person themselves, you understand? So let our lights not be dimmed, and let us move forward with the spirit of Ubuntu.
Salute the water. You speak like a lion and humble like a tuuka. Thank you very much. And that was there. The water. Any last song you want me to play?
Any last song over there?
Yeah. Right about now, we're gonna go straight to Ulava. Yeah. Let me just play this song and then we go. Yeah.
It's the latest one, yeah.
You pay my order,
Yeah.
and that's it. You pay my order, bro.